continue. They do not realize that these deeds are bad, and they will lead the person to undesirable character traits. To use an analogy, they are like people who are untrained in medicine, who see the experienced physician administer portions of very interesting calaquintida, I'm not sure what is it, scamonial and aloe to patient who are dangerously ill, and prevent them from eating ordinary food. Though these herbs, through these herbs, these patients were healed and saved from the great dangers. Okay, so let's look. Okay, these fools, however, jumped on a conclusion that these foods could heal one ill, right? The ill, right? So that just any ill. They could surely maintain and enhance the well-being of the healthy. So if it actually a little different explanation. So if it help these sick people, for sure, if I do the same, I'm going to stay healthy. Therefore, they began to use them at all times and to follow the diet, the diet of the ill. Right? That's what we don't do. Okay, so let's do from the beginning, and we're going to explain. They do not realize, so these fools, right, that these deeds are bad. So because we always, and when we try to learn any topic, I always try to give you like a big picture. So of course, we're going to go to details and tiniest details, but it's not. But you must always know what the big picture is like, and then it's easy to understand why you're doing this or that, right? So these people did not care, right? They went directly to details, right? They do not realize that the deeds are bad, and they will lead the person to undesirable character traits. So first of all is arrogance. So he can fast for I don't know how many days, and other people cannot. So this rabbi, okay, everybody calls him holy, but can he fast for 3 days in a row, 5 days in a row? No, but I can. So this fool's eyes, this rabbi, this holy person is like almost nobody. You understand? That's the issue. To use the analogy, they are like people who are untrained in medicine and who see the experienced physician administer a potion of this calanquintida, scamonial, and aloe. So let's see. The translation of these terms taken from Rav Kapach notes. Okay, no problem. To patients who are dangerously ill. So somebody is dangerously ill. So and if you administer this, so you have to understand those are strong medicine, right? To bring this person to like to recovery, complete recovery, like even to stabilize him, right? Dangerously ill, and give this medicine. And prevent them from eating ordinary foods, right? So no ordinary food, just these three herbs. Though through these herbs, these patients were healed and saved from the great danger. So I mean, at the end of the day, did these herbs help? Yeah, they help, but they help on that specific person under that condition. That's the issue. I mean, the doctor knew what to do, right? These fools, however, jumped to the conclusion that these foods could heal the ill, right? So, okay, so they say if they could heal the ill, they could surely maintain the entire and enhance the well-being of the healthy. Is it true? It's not true. Like if you don't have this issue, so don't force it. Therefore, they began to use them at all times and to follow diet of the ill. Okay, so we don't do. Okay, so let's continue. 1 second. So it's a very interesting chapter. Let me check time. Okay, we have time. Any questions before we continue with next piece? Okay, so we continue then. Such a person will surely become ill, right? So you don't eat medicine just because it's good, or because it saves somebody else. So you for sure you don't make a part of your diet. Similarly, such people will become spiritually ill from using remedies while they're healthy, right? So as we said, these pious people try to work on their character. It was only remedy to bring them to health. That's it. Not they would use it from time to time. Our perfect Torah leads to our fulfillment as one who knew it states. One who knew it states. Okay. It says in Psalms 19:8. God's Torah is perfect, granting the wisdom to foolish, restoring the soul. Granting wisdom to foolish, restoring the soul. Okay. It does not command us to follow any of these paths. Rather, it desires that a man should live naturally, following the middle path, eating a moderate portion of foods that is permitted to eat, drinking moderate portion of what he is permitted to drink, engaging in permitted sexual relations in moderate way, and creating a society based on righteousness and justice. Okay, so Rambam, like his brilliance, put everything in perspective. So let's do this piece again, and we're going to explain. Such a person will surely become ill, right? Why? Because he sets aside the normal food that people eat and start eating these herbs, this medicine. Similarly, such a people will become spiritually ill from using remedies while they're healthy. Remedies, we said, this fasting, this rolling in the snow, all of this going to the desert and stuff like that. So like abstaining from relations, that's that's way of life is going to drive him crazy. They would become spiritually ill because it's not normal. HaShem put us in this world to lead a normal lives, right? Eat and drink and do other activities. Our perfect Torah leads to our fulfillment. As one who knew states, God's Torah is perfect. So Torah, it's not about suffering of the body. Hashem did not bring us here to suffer, right? If person gets suffering, so He did not ask for this. We should not bring all of the sufferings upon ourselves, right? Don't go to dangerous places. Don't eat dangerous food. Don't do dangerous activities for your health, right? You have to protect your health. God's Torah is perfect, granted wisdom to foolish, if they want to get the wisdom, restoring the soul. Right, so that's the power of the Torah. It can cure. It does not command us to follow any of these paths, all these crazy paths. Rather, it desires that man should live naturally. So, as we said, naturally, like everybody else, right? Following the middle path without one extreme or another extreme. Eating moderate portions of foods, right? So, and Rambam says in Hilchot, don't overeat. Fill your stomach 2/3, right? When you get up from the table after you ate, so make sure you're slightly hungry. Not hungry because you ate enough, but slightly, right? So meaning he explained there that the stomach has the room to work on the food. So when people overeat, that's not good. I mean there is stomach has to put all of the energy just contain the food. Okay. Live naturally, follow the middle path, eating moderate portions, right, of food that is permitted to eat. So of course Rambam there says it's better to eat even some poisonous food, so not healthy food in a small amounts. It's from time to time there is no problem, you can eat, but healthy food and a lot, that's even worse than not healthy food and from time to time, right? Because overeating is a killer. Drinking the moderate portion, of what is permitted to drink. right? So you don't have to drink all the sweet drinks in the world, right? Not good. Engaging in permitted sexual relations in moderate way. So whatever is allowed. So you do according to halacha. Make your wife happy. That's it. Pro make kids. Continue. And creating society based on righteousness and justice, right? So, but if somebody goes to one extreme or another, they have all of the perversions, right? So, and the one issue is the arrogance that the person seems like sees himself or she sees herself as superior to others, and it's not good, right? Because of this craziness that they accepted on themselves.